Hello everyone, my name is Danny Swaim and I'm the CEO of the M&R companies based here in Chicago, Illinois. We have global distribution. We're a worldwide distributed company. Many of you know us well. We were given the opportunity to present to the group at FESPA, and we're very excited about that. I want to thanks to Michael Ryan and all the fine people at the FESPA group to know that we really appreciate this opportunity to speak to everyone. It's been a couple of years. The COVID has really impaired a lot of businesses and certainly created a lot of challenges for every company, and ours is no different. We're thankful, though, that we've been able to navigate the waters pretty well, and we're very excited to see, the marketplaces, certainly in our core markets, really are starting to rebound at a tremendous pace. And for that, we're very grateful and thankful. We also recognize there are challenges related to supply chain and raw material costs, and we're not immune to that. Everybody has to face these sort of challenges, and we're certainly faced with that as well. And we're doing the very best we can for our customers to make sure that we're doing the right things at the right moments. Sometimes those are tough moments, but we are not afraid of those moments. Throughout the pandemic, though, we have developed new technologies. We've launched new products. We've had successful launches with brand new technologies, both in the core screen printing business that we embrace and do so well in and very thankful for. But we've also developed some strategic alliances with the advancement or development of the M&R Global program. We'll talk a little bit about that. We certainly developed new technology that really fits in the e-com space from a digital or direct-to-garment sort of element. We're seeing lots of trend changes in the industry, both on a North American and a global scale. And so we're having to adjust and navigate that. And of course, we're always very thankful for the loyal customer base. It's been with us through thick and thin for difficult periods of time. Our people have really expressed a great appreciation for the loyalty. You've shown the brand for well more than 36 years now. And I, as a relative newcomer to the company, only here a little over 3 years, truly feel the spirit and excitement related to the brand strength that the M&R companies provides. So anyway, Michael had asked that we provide some intel about what's going on at M&R and what are some of the trends that we see happening. From our perspective, we're seeing a massive trend toward the nearshoring, and that's associated with e-commerce. People are buying more frequently online as a result of COVID, but that was a trend that was moving very quickly in that direction prior to the pandemic. And as we're going through the pandemic, and hopefully we'll be coming out of it fully soon, we're going to see a brand new landscape, a landscape in which people are buying more and more often directly online. And that is accelerating. In my opinion, and I'm a huge American baseball fan, I don't think we're out of the top of the first inning yet with this transition to more of the e-com sort of element of our business. And the printed apparel side of the business, the T-shirt is almost the ideal product to serve that marketplace. So we're really embracing that as an opportunity, and we're thankful for the business opportunities we've seen as a result of the trend for e-com and nearshoring, the manufacturing closer to the proximity of the consumer. We predicted this for a number of years. We've seen this trend coming, and it's certainly come full force in the last few years. So the technology we're developing today, while it serves our legacy programs for screen print, we're also looking at technologies that also serve the customer, our printers, who are making that move to a more digitized sort of automated sort of process. And last but not least, in the trend category, we are seeing a significant demand for quality images on apparel now. I would say as a self-described T-shirt snob or print snob, I love a beautiful print on a T-shirt, as do our people. And I think I've been less than overwhelmed with much of the technology that is producing, some of these images today with regard to the quality of the image, photorealistic or otherwise. Coming from a screen print background, the quality of the image on a shirt matters a great deal to me. And we seem to have lost a fair amount of that in the last several years for simplistic purposes. We're seeing that trend reverse itself again, and we're excited to see that because we believe the M&R technology can produce the highest quality images on a garment. And that falls in whether it be a screen printed image or most certainly now in the digital space with regard to the Maverick program or the digital squeegee, and now our new product fleet that's referred to as the Polaris program, which you'll hear more about in the coming weeks and months. But very excited about where the trends are heading. Our business is thriving as a result of that now, coming out of the pandemic. But again, not without its challenges. We want to face the fact that, lead times are extended because of supply chain challenges. We've seen raw material inflation and the likes. We've had to adjust to that, much like everyone else in the industry. But thankfully, our customers have remained loyal to us. We're going to work really hard for you. We will never, ever take you for granted. And we will deliver the highest quality product. And in many cases, we understand that the waits are a little longer than you'd like to wait for products sometimes, and the demand piece of it. We are working furiously to increase our capacity here, and we won't stop until we are able to make more acceptable levels of delivery schedules. But again, this is a condition of a post-pandemic world, and we like our chances and where we're going with regard to growth and expansion of our capacity. So stay tuned for more developments in that category. Let's talk a little bit about the Global Alliance or the M&R Global brand. As many of you may have seen, there was a video that we produced last summer that announced and explained really what this is about. This is our ability to expand on a global basis and provide a variety of different products that fit and meet the standard of quality that M&R has been known for, but allows us to produce this product in other parts of the world and make a faster delivery for these customers. There's a handful of products that fill out the M&R Global brand. It is not all-encompassing in every product that M&R has developed that falls under this. There are a handful of products, and they've got new names like the Pro Mini or the Pro Max or the Pro Flex, the Rival, and a variety of other new technologies that'll be coming out. But they fit a variety of space with regard to how it delivers and prints garments. It's largely focused in markets that are not traditional M&R markets in North America, for instance, and it's been widely embraced. But we're now firmly entrenched through this program with things that now printing devices that print labels on T-shirts. Which is a space we really didn't occupy too heavily in the past with that sort of an emphasis. But it's an opportunity for our customers now to use an M&R product to actually put printed labels in garments and the likes. So stay tuned for more developments about the DCC relationship with M&R and the formation of the M&R Global brand. But we are very happy and proud of the association and affiliation that we have with our friends at DCC. And lastly, what's to come? M&R doesn't stop. The one thing that's certain is that we believe that there are no limits in where we can go. We've got a great team, lots of great engineers, creative minds. We try to blend these things together, and that's what happens here in Roselle, Illinois, is the creative processes meet up with the most, technologically advanced sort of engineering teams. And these are great idea people, and we can make these things happen in our facility. As COVID is now starting to ease a bit in the States, we'd certainly encourage those of you who can make it to Roselle. We'd love to host you and show you a little bit about what we are working on. We've got a variety of different laboratories today that we didn't have in the past that are working on future technologies. Those future technologies involve all sorts of different opportunities, from visual recognition systems to robotics to you name it. And we are excited, and we're very excited for what's to come with M&R. We obviously have laid out the groundwork with new launches like the Cobra program, the Maverick program, and now the Polaris program. But there are more opportunities with a variety of different devices. So just rest assured, there's a lot of new technologies in the pipeline that you'll hear more about in the coming weeks and months. We'll ask you to still stay tuned to our distribution network for news and updates on new technology and releases that'll be coming in the next 6 to 8 months that we're very proud of, very excited about. We're looking forward to seeing you guys at an upcoming show very soon with FESPA. So thank you very much for the opportunity. We wish you all very well. Thank you.